introducing yourself.
So my name is Abhinaya. I am already BSc, biotech graduate, and I have a experience of working in biomedical company as a product specialist.
Wow.
So my last profile was as a marketing product specialist. But what drove me to bioinformatics, genomics, data sciences, where I started my internship. So my internship itself was in bioinformatics. So where I wanted to be in, I've come back there. So that is why I am here. That's the main reason why I've come to this course, and I want to see myself where I vision to be in. That's the reason why I'm here.
Super. What exactly excites you in biotech that you started with research in college and then you were working in management job roles and then now you're into bioinformatics. But what keeps you excited in this biotech?
So, to tell the truth, I always wanted to be in research, but situation crisis took me to the management, where I felt I could see myself somewhere in management. My profile will grow, my salary package will grow. So, but I felt that okay, I have already achieved something what I wanted to do, but now I want to go back to the original thought where I wanted to be. So that is the main reason why I am here.
Super. And after bachelor's, how did you explore the other options towards career?
So to tell the truth, after bachelor's I really wanted to get into masters and then do my integrated PhD or whatever the options I had. But unfortunately I could not do that again because of some circumstances, crisis and all of that. But that is the reason why after a bachelor's I went into job. I jumped into job, and when I graduated, it was a COVID time. So I got an opportunity to work in the COVID lab. So that's how it started all.
Okay.
So when I already jumped into the working thing, I thought, okay, let me continue and then let me see later. Then when I was just waiting for the right time, I saw Biversity. I got in the course and got introduced the curriculum, and then I wanted to take it forward.
Very nice. So since you explored different paths, what is that one advice that you would give to yourself if you are in your first year of biotech?
Yeah, so so advice would be that I should have carried forward with the same, but because of the situation I could not. That's the only advice I want to give it to me.
Okay, and how was this 1 week here?
So this 1 week was really different, totally different from my entire routine and my entire expectations from the the course, the program. And this was very, very different because the 4 months was entirely in the desktop, online and everything. But this was something face to face. We connected, the real connection of the network. What is the value? What is the power of connection? That made me think many times better. Okay, so this is what it is. So that made me feel very different and enhanced my way of thinking and the perception of actual course, I can say you.
Super.